So imagine you're streaming a movie on your phone right now. That data is flying through the internet at lightning speed, right? But here's the thing most people don't know. Inside those massive data centers powering everything we do online, there's a huge bottleneck, and it's getting worse because of AI. I'm going to walk you through something wild I just discovered. A tiny company called Poet Technologies that most people have never heard of. And they might just be sitting on the solution to one of tech's biggest problems. So here's what grabbed my attention. This stock literally exploded 17% in a single day recently. It hit over $9 a share. That's more than double where it was a year ago. And when I dug into why, things got really interesting. Let me break this down super simple. You know how your phone has a chip inside it? Well, data centers have thousands of chips, and those chips need to talk to each other fast, like insanely fast. That's where optical technology comes in. Instead of electrical signals, they use light. Light is way faster. But here's the problem. Right now, these optical systems are expensive to make, they use tons of power, and they take up a lot of space. Not ideal when you're trying to build massive AI systems that need to process crazy amounts of information. Poet figured out something clever. They created this thing called an optical interposer. Forget the fancy name. Think of it like this. Imagine you're building with Legos. Normally, you'd need different types of Legos from different boxes, and they don't always fit together perfectly. Poet made a special platform where everything just clicks together on one single piece. Electronic parts and light-based parts all on one chip. Smaller, cheaper, less power-hungry. Pretty cool, right? Now let me tell you where this company actually is, because this is important. Poet is what we call a microcap. They're tiny. They're not Apple. They're not Google. They're a startup that's still figuring things out. Last year, they made basically zero revenue, like $41,000. That's less than a small restaurant makes. This year, they're up to about $468,000. Still super small. And they're losing money. Big time. About $54 million in losses over the last 12 months. Their burn rate is real. So why would anyone care about this company? Here's where it gets interesting. They just raised $75 million cash from a big institutional investor. That's on top of another $25 million they raised a few months before. So they've got over $150 million sitting in the bank right now, and almost no debt. You see where this is going? That money is their runway. It's like having gas in your tank before a long road trip. They can spend the next couple years building out their technology, ramping up production, and chasing big customers without worrying about going broke. And they're already starting to land deals. They've got partnerships with some solid companies. Semtech, Newton, Cyber Semiconductors, these aren't random names. They're real players in the tech world. And Poet is working with them to build optical engines for AI data centers. In fact, they just announced a production order worth over $500,000. Deliveries start early next year. It's small, sure, but it's proof that someone actually wants to buy what they're selling. Let me paint a picture of the market they're chasing. The AI infrastructure boom is massive. The market for optical transceivers in AI and data centers could hit almost $6 billion by 2032. The bidirectional transceiver segment alone could more than double from $1.2 billion to $2.5 billion by 2033. That's a growing pie, and Poet wants a slice. But let's keep it real for a second. This is risky, super risky. The stock is trading at over 1,700 times sales. That's insane. It means investors are betting huge on future growth, not current results. If anything goes wrong, if they miss deadlines, if bigger competitors crush them, this thing could tank hard. And speaking of competitors, they're up against giants. Companies like Coherent, Lumentum, Broadcom, these guys already make optical modules at scale. They've got resources, customers, and proven products. Poet is the underdog trying to break in. Plus, the stock is super overbought right now. The RSI, which measures momentum, is at 81. Anything over 70 is considered overbought. That usually means a pullback is coming. The analyst price target is actually 6.25, and the stock is already past $9. So even the people who like this company think it might have run too far too fast. But here's the flip side. High risk can mean high reward. If Poet can execute, If they can turn those partnerships into real revenue, if they can scale production and prove their technology works better and cheaper than the competition, this could be massive. We're talking about a company that could go from $500,000 in revenue to tens of millions, maybe more, over the next few years. And there's one more thing floating around: takeover rumors. Some analysts think POET could be an acquisition target. A bigger chip company or optical player might want to buy their technology. There's no official offer, nothing confirmed, but it's something to keep on your radar. So what's the bottom line here? POET Technologies is a high-stakes bet on the future of AI infrastructure. They've got interesting technology, solid partnerships, and enough cash to survive for a while. But they're still losing money. Revenue is tiny, and the valuation is sky high. The stock has momentum right now, but it's also overbought and could pull back. This is not a safe play. This is a moonshot. If you're thinking about this, you need to be okay with serious volatility. You need to be okay with the possibility that this goes nowhere. But if they pull it off, if they become a key supplier in the AI boom, the upside could be huge. Here's my takeaway. Watch the execution. Watch the revenue numbers over the next few quarters. Are they landing more orders? Are they scaling production? Are bigger customers coming on board? That's what matters. Not the hype, not the stock price swings, the fundamentals. And remember, this is a startup in a hot space. It's exciting, but it's also speculative. So do your homework, know your risk tolerance, and never bet more than you can afford to lose. That's POET Technologies, a tiny photonics company trying to solve a massive problem in AI infrastructure. Keep an eye on it. This could get really interesting. Let me know, are you in or just watching? And hey, hope this video helps you on your quest for profits. Catch you on the next one.